In this video, you will learn how to work on issues in CADdrive. Go to Issues and click on New Issue. Type the name of the issue. If you already created milestones, choose a milestone from a drop-down list. From the list of assignees, you can choose team members responsible for the task. Save the changes. In the chat, you can communicate with your team members. For example, you can ask a question or provide more information about the issue. You can preview the text you typed, cancel it, add the text, and close the issue right away. If you want to reopen the closed issue, make a comment again in Chat window and click on Reopen. You can also annotate models or parts of models. In order to annotate a model, choose a respective version in the history tree on the right and click on the model. A link to the model appears in Chat window. Look at the window at the right. The 3D model changed its color. The annotated part of the model turned red. Each time you post something, your team members get an email with a comment notification